We have put some dirty water in the syringe and made a drop to come out. Now we will focus the laser pointer on this drop of water and project it on the wall. Wow, you can see the microorganisms present in this water. Isn't it interesting? What kind of liquid is this? If I try to put my fingers forcefully or punch it, it doesn't go inside easily. It acts as a solid. But if I try to put my finger slowly, it goes inside. How is it possible? I have made this solution using 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. Wow! This Vicks bottle are floating mid-air. How is it possible?
It's all about humanity.
In today's video, I'll add baking soda to Coca-Cola and see what happens.
1 2 3 बोलते हैं डालना 1 2 3 डालो डाल चुका था
Do you know what will happen?
जल्दी 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 ओह
Here I have a packet of cornflakes. It says it contains 9 mg of iron in it. Can we extract this iron using this magnet? We have crushed the cornflakes and put it in water in this Ziploc bag. After some time, we will bring the magnet near the Ziploc bag and see what happens. Wow! We can see a small quantity of iron getting attracted to this magnet. We will put this screw on the positive terminal of the battery and touch the wire to the negative terminal of the battery and other end to this neodymium magnet. Wow, the motor starts spinning. How is it possible? Do you want to know why? Hit a like button and subscribe and I will explain you why it happens.
In today's video, I will show you how to make the iodine clock reaction.
We will mix these 2 solutions very fast and see what happens.
It's becoming
Do you want to know how this is made? Hit a like button and subscribe and I will explain you how this happens. We will open the cap very fast and see what happens. Wow, the bottle flies like a rocket. Isn't it amazing? We will mix these 2 solutions very fast and see what happens.
Whoa! Wow!
It becomes baby powder! Baby!
Do you want to know how this is made? Hit a like button and subscribe and I will explain you how this happens. We have cut the plastic bottle and made into a pyramid shape like this. Now we will play a 3D hologram video from YouTube. Wow! A floating image is displayed at the center of the pyramid. Hit a like button and subscribe to see more such videos. Did you know that cocoa powder can be waterproof? We shall take a spoonful of cocoa powder and slowly dip it in this milk. Now let's pull it out and poke it with this toothpick. As you can see, the cocoa powder magically turns dry. Did you know that you can make a battery using lemons? We have connected the zinc and copper plates to the lemon like this, and now we will connect the last zinc plate and see if the LED bulb is glowing. Wow, the LED bulb glows. How is it possible? Do you want to know why? Hit a like button and subscribe and I will explain you why it happens. We shall put the iodine on the steel plate and heat it on a low flame. As you can see, the iodine starts subliming. That is, iodine is changing from solid to gaseous state. Sublimation is a conversion of a substance from the solid to the gaseous state without passing through the liquid state. Sublimation is an endothermic change where substance vaporizes directly from the solid to the gaseous state without passing through an intermediate liquid state. As you can see, iodine has completely sublimated from here and part of it is deposited on the outer surface of the plate. The reverse of sublimation is called deposition, a process in which gaseous substance condenses directly to solid state. We will hold a finger at one end of the straw and quickly dip the other end into the water. Wow! As you can see, the water is automatically flowing out of the jar. We will take a spoonful of cinnamon powder and spread it on the surface of the water. Now I will dip my finger in this water. Wow, my finger is still dry. How is it possible? Do you want to know why? Hit a like button and subscribe and I will explain you why it happens. This. Now we will light the candle on both the ends. As you can see, the candle is rocking like a seesaw. We will place an inflated balloon on top of this bottle. Wow, the water comes out of this bottle automatically. It creates a wonderful water fountain. Hit a like button and subscribe to see more such videos.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We will mix sodium acetate in water and boil it on low flame. Now we will put few crystals of sodium acetate in this solution. Wow, it becomes instant ice. We will pour this liquid on the sodium acetate crystals. Wow, it becomes a pillar of hot ice. We will poke the potato with knife and heat a knife at one end. As you can see, the potato magically rises up instead of falling down. We will try it with another potato. Wow! The potato is climbing up the knife. Isn't it fascinating? How does this happen? I am going to plate this key and spoon with copper. How? Keep watching. After half an hour, we can see a slight copper color on the spoon. We also tried this on this key. This key got plated nicely. You can see the copper being plated on the key as well as on the clip. How does this happen? We will carve a cavity in both these potatoes. After carving the cavity, the potatoes will look like this. We will put some salt in one potato and leave the other potato without salt. We will dip both these potatoes in this bowl of water and keep it for few hours. After few hours, what do you observe? We observe that potato with salt has water filled up in the cavity. Whereas the potato without salt, there is no water filled up in the cavity. This happened because the water from the tray got filled up into the potato with salt due to osmosis. Full video link of all the videos is given in the description below.